How to find family pairing settings on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Play Store or App Store and just make sure your TikTok now is updated. Maybe you'll find here updates and then just click on it, and let's move to the next step. Open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and after that click these three lines in the top corner, and once you're here all you need to do just click family pairing, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.